To add a device to our app, we have three options. We can either 1. Scan our QR code, 2. Manually add the device with its P to PID or IP address, or 3. We could search for the device and add it online, but only if we are connected to the same network as the device. The first step we'll be using is scanning the QR code. We do that by coming to the profile icon at the top left, clicking on that, and from there we go to Device List. In Device List, at the top right corner, you can see the plus icon. When you click on it, you have this option. You click on this, and now you see that we have three options: scan the QR code, online search, or the manual add. We'll start by scanning the QR code. Let's say we have our NVR and we want to scan the QR code. We just move our phone to the QR code and the code will be scanned. Once it is scanned, we just need to input the password of the device. Once we're done inputting the password of the device, we click on Save and it's going to try connecting, and after that, it gets connected. Now we can go back and see that our NVR has been connected. You can click on it to view the different channels on the NVR. This is how to connect a device on the Smart Guardian app by scanning the QR code. Note that your QR code needs to be intact for this method to work. I'm just going to go back and delete the added NVR. Now for the second method of adding a device, if you click on the plus icon again, we'll be adding a device by searching for it online. If you click Online Search, as long as we are connected to the same network as the device in question, and we are in the same network range, we will find it here. As you can see, our NVR is the first device on the list of options we currently have. We first confirm that it is the correct device using either its IP or P to PID, whichever is known. We'll click on it and just type in the password. Once we're done doing that, click on Save and go back, and you can see that the NVR is added. If you go back again to view it, we have same NVR. Now I'm going to go back and add this the third way. The third way being the manual add option. Click on the plus icon. Now we'll click on Manual Add. When we click on Manual Add, we then need to input the IP address or the P2PID of that device. I'm going to just paste the already copied P2PID, and then also type in the password of this device, and click on Save. The device is going to show connecting, then connected. These are the three ways to add a device on the Smart Guardian app.